here on my lunch break doing a little bit of weeding in the veg patch. You have to excuse the crazy wind breaks that I've got behind me for that bonkers northeasterly wind we had yesterday and the day before. And I was thinking about the posture that I was down here weeding in. So in yoga we have this squatting posture that is so good for the overall health, for the stability of the pelvis, for the strength, for encouraging good blood flow. And I was thinking about this posture, and this posture is something that particularly when you go to Eastern countries, you see people, all walks of life, often just being in this posture, whether they're working, whether they're waiting for something, whether they're organising something. Quite often they'll do this in a squat posture. But in our day-to-day lives, it's a posture we rarely get into. One of the benefits, or many benefits, of yoga is that these are the kind of postures that we get into on the mat, and we become comfortable and flexible in being able to maintain those postures. And then when we're going about the rest of our lives off of the mat, we can then comfortably come into these postures and really support our overall health and well-being. So when it comes to gardening, it's literally the perfect posture for gardening. Quite often what you tend to see people in is a kind of double over, bent over posture. Now again, in yoga, this is something that we do a lot of, but we learn how to engage the stomach muscles, and we learn how to protect the back when we're in that posture for a while. But when you're just standing over, bent over double, weeding for maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, there's no surprising that you end up with backache afterwards. So learning how to come into a squat and developing slowly your strength and ability to be able to be in a squat for some times is a really useful posture to then come into the garden or into other spaces in your life and just kind of hang out.